this video is going to be ridiculous. Hello. So in today's video, I'm doing a collab. I'm doing a collab with Andi Does Stuff. We decided to do a Halloween type of collab. So it's basically just any sort of spooky makeup that we want to do. So I decided I am going to be practicing for my Riff Raff makeup. If you are new here, hi, my name's Kristen. I love colorful makeup, wrestling, and the Rocky Horror Picture Show. So you're getting to see 2 out of my 3 favorite things here. I am going to be performing as Riff Raff. My normal character is actually Dr. Frankenfurter, but we already have 4 Franks and only 3 shows, so I said, well, what do we need? Because we haven't performed in over a year and a half, thanks to the pancetta. And our cast leader asked me what I thought about being Riff, and I'm like, hell yeah, motherfucker. Because that's one character I've never played before, and also after I perform as Riff Raff for these 2 Halloween shows, I will only need to perform as Eddie then, and I will have completed my Iron Man and will have performed as every character. So that's super exciting. Actually, not many people can say they've done all of them. So anyways, yes, I am doing Riff Raff. If you don't know who Riff Raff is in the Rocky Horror Picture Show, I will put a photo up here somewhere. And ooh, I am recording this the same day it's going up, so mind blown. Anyways, okay, I'm going to start with foundation. I tried to find the lightest one that I got. So this is the e.l.f. Camo CC Cream in the color Fair 120N. I don't know if you care about that, but I wet my sponge and we're gonna go in from there. Yes, I'm just putting this on a dampened sponge. I'm gonna go all over my face. It seems pretty damn light, so that's good. I've never done this makeup before. I didn't prime my skin otherwise, other than putting that pumpkin seed extract stuff on. And I don't have a wig. I'm actually gonna be, I think, bleaching my hair. I think that's what I'm gonna do, and that way I'll just have bleach hair. So I don't know when I'm gonna do that, but I'm probably gonna do it this week because I have a week of vacation. I tried to change it to next week, that way I could have vacation after Halloween, but they said it was full up, so that's not happening. So whatever, that's fine. I will basically have a very good night's rest before I have to go back to work after Halloween, because I do have to go back to work on that following Monday. But I don't have to be at work until about, I don't have to leave until 5:30, so at night. So I will have a good sleep. But I'm going to take this Juvia's Place concealer in number 24. I think it's, if not the lightest, it's like one of the lightest ones that they have. And I'm going to use this to highlight my face, because Riff Raff is a pale as fuck motherfucker. But that is very pale. Yes, that will work. And I'm just gonna take whatever I've left and just put it along my jawline, I guess. Again, might do more of this later, who knows. Okay, so what I do have is I have this paint palette. It's just a cheap paint palette that I got from Amazon. I also have my Stone Cold Fox, actually, palette from Collab because this has all cool toned browns, which I think will come in handy. I also grabbed this though. I have one of these Mitchell palettes, and I was looking for like pukey bruise type colors, and actually this does have shadows that are pukey bruise ugly. Sorry, Mitchell. Pukey Gru's ugly colors that might work for sickly skin as well. Okay, so yeah, I think I'm going to go in with this brown color right here, and that's what I'm going to use to do like the hollows, because he has very hollow cheeks. So, but yeah, so I'm going to go for this color right here. I don't think I need a lot. I don't know. I guess we'll see. And this looks like it might be kind of a warm shade. I don't know, but it's fine because like I'll blend it out. But I think that looks pretty good. So I'm like kind of starting by my temples, bringing it down this way, just basically in like a straight line, and then kind of bringing it down that way. My stomach is growling. I'm hungry. Reference photos. Yeah, I mean, now I'm going to like create these half moon shapes. And this is something I kind of do with as Frank as well. So this isn't too different. Like aesthetically speaking, I probably did this a little too dark. Like I kind of wish I did it like this, but that's okay, because hey, this is practice, right? Yeah, Riff Raff actually has a bald head, but of course, like I said, I'm not doing that. I am just going to bleach my hair. But it's okay. And this will probably be more accentuated than you would think it should be, but that's because when you're on stage, you kind of you want it a little bit more, because you do want your audience to see what you've actually done on your face. I think I'm going to take, this is a heavy palette. I'm going to take this one. I think it's called Quarry Days. I think that's going to be like the best thing to use right now. But yeah, I'm still going to take that same color. Just see what I can do to make this a bit cooler. But I think this was a good color match, like I said, so next time I will do this much lighter. I could still try going over that with some white powder, which I will probably do, just to lessen the impact of that, I guess. And then I can go over it with this powder if I don't like the effect. Put it that way, yeah. Okay, I'm just going to take this brush with the Color Pop, and I'm going to take this down my nose, see how this works. I'm going to start in the upper portion of my nose here as a guide. This is also something I do as Frank, not nearly as pronounced, to try and make my nose look skinnier. Okay, now I'm just going to try and drag the color down the sides of my nose. I'm going to take this unnamed product. I purchased it a long time ago, before I knew better. Yeah, but it is white, and it's concealer, so I'm just going to use it. Practice makes perfect. And I keep looking this way because I'm looking at myself. I'm so sorry. I'm not. Okay, so I got the hollows. We got the hollowed up here kind of thing going on. Okay, we're going to do the eyes. I think first, actually, on my finger, I'm just going to take whatever this color is. You know, it doesn't have names or anything. I'm just going to lightly, I think, pat this around my eyes. I think that was a good choice. Don't want it to be dark at all. I want this kind of blended out, because basically he looks, like I said, sickly and or just bad. Sickly bad, because I'm going to go in with a red later on too. Okay, not a bad base, not a bad base. I'm going to get some more on the outsides of my eyes, basically following like where my actual eye socket is. This video is going to be ridiculous. So, I was thinking either, let's see, Chameleon or Clay Baby. So, Chameleon or Clay Baby. Maybe even like a mixture of both of them. But let's not use that. I'm going to go for a fluffy looking brush. Okay, I think I'm going to take very lightly that Clay Baby and also go around the eyes. I don't know what this is going to look like in conjunction with that other color I just put down, but, ooh. Okay, you know what? Putting that over it on the bottom at least. Not a bad combination. Okay. Now I'm just gonna kind of blend it all around, make sure it's actually in the outer part, because again, following the eye socket. Not bad. Okay. Oh, I feel a little like Beetlejuice right now. That's funny. Yeah, but like I said, probably also gonna go around. I'm also gonna go around with other colors just to try and make them match though too. I'm so glad I looked up because it stopped recording. I hate that. All right, so now to continue, I will take that other color, the Charmeleon color, and just see what we can achieve here. Maybe layering them together will even out the more yellow. Or maybe this is the one I'll just use next time. Yeah, kind of feeling more like Beetlejuice. So I think I need to get like a red tone going on here. Now there is an orange one actually, but this is more like a neon orange, so I don't know if I want to use that. I just remembered I do have my Hauntingly Glamorous palette from Alien Cosmetics here, and it does have a matte red, so fantastic. Again, I'm going to just wipe this brush off very lightly, taking Morticia. Actually gonna wipe it off on my hand here a little bit. And this is what I'm gonna use. Oh, we're taking all the indie makeup. I don't know if you call it luxury, but yeah, all the indie makeup, the awesome indie makeup, and just going crazy with it. Ooh, I like that effect. Mr. Mo! Geronimo! Okay, you know what? That right there is an excellent combo. Holy, that's great. Oh my god, I'm amazed. I'm actually very proud of this. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a Johnny, come here. I'm gonna take another brush and I'm gonna take another color and I'm gonna try and Geronimo. I'm gonna take that same color from before. I'm gonna try and do the bags, which I don't have to do much. Just follow my natural bags. Look at that. Shh. Hey, Geronimo, get over here. Shh. Oh man, that looks great. Oh my god, hilarious. Okay, shh. Lay down. I'm gonna take a slightly different color. So this is bold type. Just very gently doing just a little bit. Shh, Geronimo. A little bit more right there. Lay down. Shh. Lay down. Fuck. Okay, I'm back. My dogs are being bad and barking. So I did take a slightly darker color and just kind of like define the lines. God, this sounds so weird. I think that's just like the perfect combination of just like sickly. Oh my god, I'm amazed, honey. Now I'm going to take, I think just like one of these colors right here. I'm just going to do my eyebrows, just really kind of sloppily. Obsidian, which you would think would be the black in this palette, but it's not. It's this one right here. And these Stone Cold Fox. He's just kind of got these sloppy, haphazard brows. So I'm not going to be too precise with this at all. It's pretty easy right now with my brows the way they are because they're still growing in. So his are actually pretty straight. So I'm not going to try and go down. I'm just going to kind of do these inner portions of my brows and go outward. And maybe take the next darkest color and just go over that a little bit. And that next color is Drama Mama. That one right there. I know it's like kind of a long video, but it doesn't seem like I've done a whole lot here. And now I'm just taking the actual black, which is called Rock Bottom, and just kind of doing these little strokes this way to make it look like, I guess, hairs. I don't know. his lips are pretty bad looking. So this is just the leftover red. I'm just going around the outside of my lips. I did put actually a little brown underneath my lips there. Why? I don't know. Give it a little more dimension, but yeah, whatever's left over on this brush, I'm just kind of outlining my lips again. Kind of sickly looking. Go over with that powder brush. And then now I'm taking the same little pointer angled brush, and I'm just going to try and find a color in here where I could do like lightly do like just little lines, because he looks like he has dry lips. I'm just going to try for Quarry Days, that same one I've used before. I'm just kind of making just these little tiny flicks all around. And this is what I saw one of the Riff Raffs do, who does the actual play. I don't know if he did it this way, but this is what I'm doing. Oh my god, this is hilarious. Yeah, I don't know. I actually grabbed this. This is part of that Beauty Creations wheel thingy I bought. That was my dog. Anyways, okay, so I'm not gonna do that on my eyes, but I'm gonna take this and I'm actually gonna line my eyes with this. Like, I kind of think that's just what it needed, so that's cool. Again, it might look a little overly dramatic, but this is so that audience can see it while I'm actually performing. Now, do I wear mascara or not? What are we thinking so far? Because hilarious. Oh my god, that's all I can say. Wow. Well, let me curl my eyelashes. I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna take some of this Quarry Days color and just, I think, extend this out a little bit. I don't feel like it goes around enough. So now I'm just going to take this e.l.f. and this is the Waterproof Length and Volume Mascara. I don't know if this will be good or bad, but we will see what it looks like. Again, this is like a test too. Not just me making a spooky video. And since I'll be performing, oh my gosh, I really hope someone records me as Riff Raff. I feel like I should put on like a lip product just to make my lips shiny. Okay, so yes, so I think this will work. I hope. If not, oh well. This is NYX. This is Everything Lip Oil. And it actually looks kind of blue. Interesting. So if it's blue at all, I'm hoping it'll give a sickly sheen combined with everything else. And I don't think it looks like much, but at least now my lips don't look quite that dead. So anyways, here's my completed look, y'all. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Do you think this will be acceptable for Riff Raff? Does my face look thinner? Like, I feel like it doesn't. I think like I'll have to bring it up more here and then down. But again, first run. Just tell me what you think about my Riff Raff look. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please go check out Andi Does Stuff and her collab video along with mine. And if you're interested in seeing my Frankenfurter tutorial, I'm going to have that shown right here, and I will talk to you later. Bye!